Wagwan.
Wagwan.
Wagwan, my youth.
Wagwan youth.
Hi friends, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon and good night. I feel so much better right now. Oh my gosh. Today was a me day. I woke up this morning and I decided that, you know what? I'm going to just block out everything that I have to do and take care of me first. If you want to see me have the biggest smile, just allow me to take care of me. Like do my nails, do my hair, do a good face scrub, shave, get a good bath, and get dressed. And that's what I did. I blocked out everything that I had to do this morning. I woke up and I did my hair myself. I threw in some big braids and I love how it turned out. So that's me, redhead for a few weeks. Maybe a week or two. So this is my hair. Yeah, and I did my eyebrows and I took care of me, and I feel so much better than how I woke up this morning. You know, I had a really hard week. I mean, this week was just somewhat draining and sad and a little bit depressing, and I had to keep myself together. And today was the day when I decided that I snap out of it. It's okay to have those feelings, but what you need not to do is let those feelings take you over for too long. There must be a point when you say enough is enough and just take care of you. And I did that this morning and I feel so good. So with all that said, I feel so much better. I can now pick up the camera and talk to you guys. I'm heading out. I am leaving the house today, okay? I am heading to the supermarket with my two babies, and my big baby will meet us up there at some point later. So I'm going to do a little bit of supermarket shopping, and baby will pick us up when I'm finished because baby's out of town today for work. So I'm heading to the supermarket. That way he won't have to come home and get me and go to the supermarket. So I'm taking the bus and tram to the supermarket, and then he'll pick me up there. By the time I finish shopping and pay and reach outside and everything, he should be there. So with all that said, hopefully you guys are having a good day, and don't let that down feeling keep you down, girl. Don't let that down feeling keep you down. Snap out of it. Do something that makes you happy. Do something to make yourself feel better. I got the kids dressed and I am leaving out right now. So enjoy the rest of today's vlog. Let's go see the rest of the fam bam. And if it's your first time to the channel, subscribe right now. You watching and you ain't subscribed, girl, why? Anyway, turn on your notification bell. That way when we post a video, you get your notification. We upload Mondays to Fridays. Don't miss them videos, girl. If you don't get your notification of videos, they're guaranteed. Anyway, enough of me and my redhead. Let's go find my sweet babies. Let them say hello to you guys. Who first? Who am I gonna find first? What you doing in the closet? What are you doing in the closet, girl? Say hello, Faves.
How are you?
How are you?
Okay, fine.
You're fine. What are you doing in Papa's closet? Can you close it, please? Be kind and be nice. Close it. Go and close the door. Be nice and be kind. Close it. Please. Can you close the door, please? You close it. Close it. Close it like this. Not with you in it. Get out. Get out, please. Good girl. Close it. Yay! Good job. High five. You did it. Yeah. Who is the next one? Hi, Ty. How are you?
I'm fine.
You're fine. You ready to head to supermarket with Mama be a big boy?
No, I'm ready to go to school.
You ready to go to school?
Yeah.
You go to school on Monday. Don't worry. Okay?
Not Monday.
Oh, on Tuesday. But we're going to supermarket now. Are you ready? Are you gonna take the list and tick things off with Mama? Because Papa is not there?
Yes.
Why that face?
Because I want to watch TV.
No, we gotta go. You say hello to Faves, say hello to Faves. Wagwan my youth.
Wagwan my youth.
How are you feeling? You good? You better? Alright. He just want to watch his TV. Anyway, you guys, let's me and my redhead head out of this house and go catch the bus. So I'll catch you guys at some point throughout the rest of the vlog. Continue. The kids opening packages that came for them. Good job, Sarah. Open it. Open, Sarah. Rip it, Sarah. Rip it.
Sarah, your turn.
Wow. Open it up. Let me see, Ty. Let me see. I don't know which belongs to who, so just open it up. Let's see what it is. You'll discover. Open it up.
I think this is for me.
That's definitely for you. Hold it up. Let me see. Turn it around. Ah, it's Disney Looney Tune. Looney Tune is Disney, no?
No.
No? Wow, perfect size. Help Sarah open hers. Sarah, this is yours. Look. Sarah, look.
Kisa. Wow, mini.
Wow, Sarah, who is that? Yay!
Wow.
Wow, Sarah, say thank you.
Thank you.
Sarah, say thank you.
Thank you.
Good job. Tyler, say thank you.
Thank you.
That's so cute.
So cute.
Mini. Yeah.
Yay!
Mini, mini, mini. Mini, mini, mini. Mini, mini.
And I got these in the package. Jamaican goodies and a birthday card. So cute. Run, Sarah, run! He's gonna catch you.
Run fast.
Run!
Run fast. I'm gonna catch you.
Run, Sarah!
Run. Sarah, run fast. Go,
Oh my God, where is she?
It's you.
Ta-da! It's time for the supermarket haul with the fam bam. With the fam bam. With the fam bam. Can you guys see us properly though? I think so. You guys, we went to supermarket.
Friday. We're back on Friday.
Friday jam.
So that means we have the weekend free to do
Activities outdoors. And we went to Burger King and pick up dinner. And now we're home. We ate. And about to do supermarket haul. Let's go.
And you know, if you recognize that today is Friday, it's also a special day because it's
the 1st of October.
the Mother's Halloween, and every season there is something that the children love. Winter.
Supermarket. Oh, where's Papa? Where did Papa go?
is a Papa frozen quinoa.
Quinoa.
What is this?
Quinoa. Whoa. Savan.
C'est quoi Savan?
Savan is a
Cake.
cake.
Gâteau.
Mushwa. I won't show you
Mushwa
guys.
for Sarah knows when he's running down.
What's this?
Oh, this is for Papa. This is a
Biscuit.
very healthy. So what kind of biscuit is? He got a D.
Cereal bar. She don't like when you talk in her ears. Just tell her you got to talk in her ears. She's gonna get mad. She'll push you away. Come, let's go fast.
Biscuit.
Yes,
Bravo. Nana. Bravo. What is that, Sarah? Nana. Bravo. What is that, Sarah? Nana. Nana. Bravo.
Coconut milk.
Yes, you better like it, Sarah. Lanty. Alright.
What's it, Tyler?
Poisson?
It's fish.
Mama, let's say it in French too.
Okay.
There's some frozen food here.
Well, Sarah, what is this?
We have some frozen food,
I saw
frozen veggies.
Somebody in the comment section says Sarah have a low voice. You guys hear that she don't have a low voice?
Low voice.
Nope. What's this, Sarah?
Yeah. Courgette.
Wait, Sarah Pervert here. Don't tell her. Let me see if she's going to say it. What's this?
What,
Sarah, look.
what is this? What is this?
It's broccoli.
Broccoli.
It's Tyler.
Wait, what is this?
Bravo. Every time you get something's right, I'm a slap Tyler. Bravo. What is that? Bravo.
When I can't slap my pitney, tell her in French. Let me hear what she sound.
Fromage.
You say you hear the how? You hear the how? No, she's not saying.
What's this?
Bravo.
Protection complete.
Alright guys, we have some epinard.
The spinach.
Poulet.
What is this?
Poulet.
It's meat.
Mama.
C'est pork.
Mama. Let's eat in French.
Yeah, but you're telling her poulet is not poulet.
Yabbe.
C'est pas poulet, c'est pork.
C'est porc. Et ça c'est quoi? Let her think. Poulet. No.
What is this? Crevette.
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 C'est quoi ça? Soumis.
What's that?
Soumis.
Somebody.
Saumon.
We got a good amount of chicken. I mean, not say two, but we have more than two. What is that, Sarah? We have 4 different packs of chicken. I don't know if she planned to invite somebody. You know it tomorrow.
What is this? Look. Look,
Yeah.
Sarah, what is this?
Sarah, what's that?
What is that? Pasta.
Mama, let's see what is
Sarah, what is this?
Carrot.
Good girl.
Good job. C'est quoi ça?
Good job. Sarah, what is this? In
France is one of the countries that is the most saucisson in the world. We have so many type of.
That's true. Jesus
So
Christ.
many type of saucisson. We just eat it like this with a glass of some things.
What is she saying is cheese.
She just say wagwan.
No, Sarah.
Wagwan. Sarah, wagwan. Wagwan. Wagwan, my youth. Yeah, you have to take- You have 10 minutes. 10 minutes for morning porridge. A Mayan porridge recipe.
What is this, Sarah?
Ça c'est citron, c'est quoi ça?
Citron. Good job.
Sarah, wagwan, my youth.
Sarah, c'est wagwan mayo.
What is this, Sarah? Good girl. More bag?
You have another
This
bag?
hall is a mess.
My God. Oh yes, check.
It's already full of the two bags.
It's apple.
You have sugar, sucre, sucre, sucre. Maman say sucre.
Sucre.
You're getting
You try
better.
to show me up with the R.
You're
Leave me
getting
alone.
better.
Sucre.
You are so terrible.
And your aunt son tell you you're terrible.
I know.
Sarah?
C'est cool.
Sucre.
Sucre.
Citron.
They must stress you, don't they?
Sarah.
Come on.
See?
Hello.
Yes.
What is this? Avocado. Avocado.
What is this?
What is this?
Wait.
Great. Good girl.
Oof, you're heavy.
What is this, Sarah? What is this? No. Cucumber. 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 Good girl. What is this? Say wagwan. Sarah, stop. Sarah, what is this? You finished? Tell Faves bye-bye. Say bye-bye, Faves.
Oi,
You did a good job. Well, Sarah finished.
what is this?
If Sarah finish, I finish too.
They didn't have the original one I usually take.
Okay.
I normally take sour sweet. Everybody gonna
Oh,
leave me
this one have
away.
vanilla.
Je sais, I take vanilla sometimes.
Kiwi. But how many times do you eat kiwi?
Every day,
Every day how much?
2 per day.
2 per day. Oh, that's why when you fat, you smell kiwi now. You take
You have a
place
problem
of-
with my fat, you know. You obviously have a problem with my fat because you must stop telling about my fat. When last you smell my fat, babe?
Kiwi?
Talk truth.
Kiwi fat?
Me say talk the truth. When
Oh,
last?
egg fat.
When last? Any
In the
day?
week, but
You just
I got to tell you
want to
that.
start some people.
I got to tell you that.
Mama, I forgot the rock, paper, scissors versus Papa.
What we gonna repeat?
No, I never will. Let's play against Mama.
Alright. Let's play against me.
That's my
If
champion. That's my champion. You better kick her ass.
If I win, Mama eats no monsters. If Mama
For the rest of
wins,
the
she
year.
eats all of for the rest of the year. And if she wins, she'll eat all the monsters.
Alright.
3 times.
Okay.
No.
1-0 Tyler.
Me swap.
Yes. 1-1.
Ha! Ha!
1-2. jump on there now.
Jump out.
You have to go down on the
Jump.
floor. You have to go down.
No,
Put
that
your-
was last week.
put your foot first.
That was last
Put your foot first.
That was last week. Boo! Yes, boo them. Boo! 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 Ask Sarah why she's saying boo. I don't know why she's saying boo. Sarah saying boo, so I'm saying boo too. Boo you!